Welcome to SaaS Central, the best hub for everything related to software as a service. App Store traffic is not converting to any install. Meet Geeklab, the data-driven mobile marketing platform that can transform your hosted App Store searches and installations. Geeklab makes it easy to test A/B testing on your product page to determine what drives more conversions. You can also use Geeklab's survey tool to collect qualitative feedback from your clients. Geeklab is a mobile marketing platform that helps you boost your app installs with A/B testing, surveys, and page analytics. You can use Geeklab to run A/B tests on your app listing to boost installs in the iOS App Store, Google Play Store, and Huawei App Gallery. As long as your product is listed, you can automatically fetch all the meta information and build multiple lookalike pages with ease. You can test over 60 elements in any new A/B campaign by tweaking the layout of every variant. Choose from a wide variety of banners, characters, and shapes to create any kind of page that you can imagine. Plus, you can access pre-built templates to whip up product pages in minutes. Geeklab's survey tool lets you collect qualitative and quantitative insights from your target users. Choose from ready-made survey templates or build your own survey using input types like open-ended and multiple choice responses. You can analyze critical metrics for A/B testing like page views, user type distribution, page installs, and statistical significance for each variant. Track your conversion rate and compare your results against competitors to get predictive insights based on past campaigns. Listing your app without testing your product page is like serving dinner without tasting the food. Geeklab lets you create unlimited variations of your product page so you can run A/B tests and learn how to boost conversions. Turn page impressions into installs. Get lifetime access to Geeklab today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. See you in the next video.